The new HTML5 gradebook has some nice features over the Silverlight gradebook, but mostly we just have a new look to it. On your Aries navigation tree, you'll notice that you have a gradebook new option. Just know that if you use the old Silverlight gradebook, this one right down here, you may do so for one more semester. At that point, Eagle Software is going to remove it from the Aries.net screen, and we'll have to transition to the new HTML5 version. So for those reasons, I'm just training everyone on the new gradebook here in summer and in fall. So I'll navigate to the new gradebook, and you'll see that at the secondary level, for example, at this high school, I have three options to begin. I have add a gradebook one by one. I can mass add gradebooks, and I can copy a gradebook. Copying a gradebook will be useful for next term or next year, where I can just take all of my configurations and choose to have those move over to the 14-15 or 15-16 school year. Mass add gradebooks is good if you were just a very straightforward type of schedule. So here I am, I'm a high school math teacher, and I have one section for each of my periods, and I can select each of these and create all 5 gradebooks right away. I'll click next. This is where you choose your term. Now, just really quickly before I move on, you'll notice that the term here is based on the course code in Aries. So this really can be changed. We don't want to do a year-long gradebook. We want to do semester gradebooks. So I'll go next, and I will choose my fall term. Now notice that I have August 5th as a starting date here. Your starting date in your live account will be the actual first day of school, September 2nd. But this is my training server, so that's why I have these dates that are off. So we'll do fall, and we'll create the gradebooks. You'll see the gradebooks will populate in the page, and this is step 1 already done. Do notice that you have 3 layouts to the dashboard, so this is a dashboard interface. You have a table layout, which I like because all of my menu items are already listed here. I have a list layout, and I have a tile layout. Now the tile layout is useful for tablets, iPads, phones, Chromebooks, because they have smaller screens, and it's easier to click a tile than it is these smaller icons here. Just really quickly before we get into the next step of the gradebook is you'll notice that you have your gradebooks listed. You have ways to edit your scores, which we're familiar with if we used the gradebook previously. You can add scores by class, assignment, or student, and then these are your functions. Our next step, of course, is to add your students and then add categories. But if you want to edit your gradebook, instead of a little pencil icon showing an edit, we have a manage gradebook option. So this is your dashboard when you create your gradebooks.